In 1815, a volcanic eruption in Indonesia led to the Year Without a Summer. Crops failed, and snow fell in June across Europe and North America. This bizarre climate anomaly sparked creativity. In a Swiss villa, Mary Shelley penned Frankenstein, inspired by the gloomy weather. Could a volcano's wrath birth a literary monster? As the world shivered, art flourished. This strange twist of fate reminds us how adversity can ignite brilliance. Imagine a world where darkness fuels creativity. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.